But did I stop there? No, I couldn't stop there. I'm addicted to the Dollar Tree. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Today we're going to check out what I got at Dollar Tree, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my previous videos and let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, let's get started, guys. So what I went to the Dollar Tree for were buckets, and I successfully picked up 4 of those. I got these like sturdier car washing ones. They're not quite as flimsy and they have a little metal handle, normal bucket. And then I also decided, well, of course I'm at the dollar store, so I'm gonna get a Pepsi. And like I've told you before, that makes sense because they're half off. They're $1 there, right? Well, digging in rocks and dirt and bugs, not my favorite thing. So I got some gloves. But did I stop there? No, I couldn't stop there. I'm addicted to the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I was glad I went. I went to a different Dollar Tree than I usually go to, and I found a lot of things that I've been looking at online that I wanted to get, and I just haven't. So, here they are. The first is this iridescent little glass jar, little candle holder. What am I going to use it for? I don't know, but some sort of DIY. Then this. I love this. I've been wanting this. I've seen it online, and I have been just hoping for it to show up at my Dollar Tree. I got the white one. I really like it. And one more. I haven't even seen this, but I really liked it when I saw it at the Dollar Tree, so I'm excited to do something with it. I also got these buckets. And I thought they were so cool. When I first picked it up, I saw the lid, and I was like, oh, no, I need to get a better looking lid. But as I looked at it, I noticed it was marbled. So they are bringing in little buckets that are see-through with lids so you can stack them. And they have those marbled tops. They have it in the teal color. They have it in black and white. Now it's not heavily marbled, as you can see. But it's still really cool they're bringing in and incorporating the marbled stuff. These were at the Dollar Tree last year, and I got a couple of them, but I couldn't find more of them, and I did want more of them, so I got more. I got a rhino, and I got a horse. Here's another little vase that I've been looking at. Well, I guess it's technically a candle holder. I've been looking at this on the Dollar Tree's online site, and so I picked it up since they had it, and they actually had more than just the clear color, but I like working with clear because then I can make it colors if I want to, or I can just use it in more areas. And then here's this. I hadn't seen this at all, but I'm excited to use that. This I've seen in a couple other people's hauls, but it hasn't come to my Dollar Tree. And they had 3 colors total, and I've been looking online at this also. So I was excited this came. I'm going to be using it in my little boy's room because his room is brown and blue. So that's kind of brown and blue. Okay, so I saw this little sign. It says Faith, and as you can see, it's half white and half glittery purple, and I thought that would go perfect on one of my little girls' shelves. Their room is purple, white, gray, and yellow, so that'll work out great in there. I got 2 of these little puppies for them to play with. They're the exact same thing, so nobody can be upset over anything. I also picked up a couple little birdies. They like to just play with those, so I'll sometimes use them as bribery if they do a good job. I got pink for my youngest and purple for my oldest. I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but pigs and lambs are like my all-time favorite animals. I think I did another Dollar Tree haul. But they had this little notepad, and once I move that sticker, it'll be a pig. So I thought this would be perfect to carry around and take notes, but also just to use the shape of the pig in something. I don't know what yet. Maybe I'll just make it a stencil. I don't know. Okay, I got this stencil, and I mainly got it for my daughter. I thought she would have a really fun time just making lots of different hearts and coloring them in and everything, so I picked that up for her. I'll throw it in her art supply section. And then I got more washi tape. I actually got these little owls for her. She's been really loving to craft, so I thought these would be fun for her. And then I got these 2, which have the thinner strips. And like I mentioned, I like to use these in my planner just to spice it up and make it a little bit more fun to look at. So I think these will be really nice, and I'll be able to maybe put extra notes in there. Or maybe I'll just get bored and decorate. But, oh, one last thing. This is the last thing that I got. Now I'm probably not keeping this, but I really like it because it's like a fabric. It's not those flimsy metal ones. It's like an actual fabric, but it does have like a coating on the inside, so if something spills, it'll be easy to clean out. My mom loves the color yellow, she loves butterflies, and she loves little bags, so I think I'm going to go ahead and give this to her. But I think that's everything I got today. Do you have these items at your Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite item was. Thank you so much for joining, and I can't wait to start crafting and DIYing. Bye-bye!